pareho silang dumaan na dalawang laro dun sa play-in.
Right.
Because Bataan finished at number 9 in the North, while Mindoro, they were the 8th seed as JC Recto was able to sneak in the playoffs by beating Cebu, while Bataan, tinampakan nila yung Pasig in the first play-in game, pero that second period where the Warriors pulled away from them. So it's really imperative for them. Montuano hitting that mid-range jumper, balik sa tatlong lamang 6-3.
And I think what's really hard for 15 and 24, see this drive right here by Gabawan, and yung Binyan, umabot sa 13 yung kalamangan sa kanila ng Binyan, and very difficult for them to come back.
Parang kukunan, ganyan yung nagiging problema. Slow starts for Mindoro and the One Bataan Risers. 3-point shot knocked down by Joseph Sedorifa. Carl Bringas forcing it up, and he puts it in.
Twice already, we've seen Carl Bringas being very aggressive on the offensive floor, trying to see if he has an attack or not.
Gamalinda gets to his spot, knocks down that pull-up J. Ramirez clears it for the One Bataan Risers. Darang in a foot race, attacking the rack, and he will score for Bataan.
The ball got in the middle.
Fast break of the game brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sportsbook of the MPBL.
But pretty much Bangkale, even...
Ilang beses ko na rin naging partner yan sa broadcast panel, si Coach F. But just going back to Lyra's report.
But definitely this is something that the guys can definitely work on, building on their first 3 games actually, yung Iloilo, Valenzuela, and Bulacan.
At least replicate dito. Sports Plus is the official sportsbook of the MPBL. Scan at your go-to-play or visit www.sportsplus.ph.
Yeah, tsaka si Coach Ega, gusto talaga niyan yung fast-paced na action.
Fight for the rebound, ending up with Robbie Darang.
There you
David,
go.
Lock and loaded, hits it from beyond the arc.
And you know why he did that? Alam niya na dalawang personals na si Marion Magat. You get him involved in there, at kung kumagat siya, makukuha ng pangatlo. Meantime, Robbie Darang.
For Mindoro, Ashon Andrews finding a crease in the defense. First quarter comes to an end.